Our next story is a Poco. This is a company and a brand on fire. Every time they come up with something, they are doing something dramatically different from the previous time. The Poco F3 GT is what we're going to talk about. Now again, starts off premium, glass back, 6.67-inch 10-bit AMOLED display with HDR10+, 120Hz refresh rate, MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset, triple camera setup, physical shoulder triggers for gaming, stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos, nice battery 5000 plus, and price starts at 26,499. Looks competitive, right?
There is the perception that Android smartphones are a sea of sameness. While this statement may hold for some parts, other times there comes a smartphone that disrupts the industry and earns a legendary status. Case in point, the Poco F1 was one such device that was launched in 2018. Now Poco has finally launched a successor, the Poco F3 GT. Needless to say, it has some big shoes to fill. Not to mention the stiff competition it faces in the 30,000 segment. So let's find out whether the Poco F3 GT stands out from the competition. The most interesting aspect of the Poco F3 GT is its design. The phone has an aluminium frame and glass body design that features a pattern on the back with a landscape-oriented Poco branding. The Poco F3 GT also manages to be reasonably slim at 8.3mm, and the addition of curved sides make it easier to hold and grip the device. But weighing over 200 grams makes the phone quite heavy. Thankfully, the weight is quite well distributed. The camera module has subtle breathing, RGB lighting on the top and bottom that lights up during notifications and charging, and looks cool without going overboard like some other gaming phones. And what might be the silliest Easter egg in smartphone design, the flash looks like a flash. While the Gorilla Glass 5 protection on top keeps everything pristine, we did not like the addition of random words like freezing and speediest that really go against the phone's premium position. Up front, the Poco F3 GT sports a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen, and we have to say that this is one of the best displays in the segment. Content consumption is bliss on this device with incredible color fidelity, high brightness levels and tons of clarity. Paired with excellent speakers, it becomes a binge machine. We also had no problems using the phone outdoors under direct sunlight. The max brightness was always adequate to retain legibility. Coming to hardware, the Poco F3 GT packs MediaTek's flagship processor, the Dimensity 1200 chipset paired with 8GB RAM as expected. It performs really well with daily usage apps and multitasking, and with a 120Hz fast refresh rate, it makes the experience much smoother. Although we did notice some lags and jitters in the UI. Nothing alarming but worth mentioning. Things get interesting when we get to gaming though. The CPU is quite comparable to its Snapdragon counterparts, but it's the GPU that seems inadequate while playing the most demanding games. Poco F3 GT also comes with mechanical shoulder buttons that can be mapped to any points on the screen for gaming. There is a bit of a learning curve, but it really helped us respond and act quicker once habituated. The Poco F3 GT runs on Poco UI, which is a slightly modified version of Xiaomi's MIUI based on Android 11. It's a lean skin but comes with a lot of preloaded apps and services, most of which can be removed or disabled. There are no ads in the interface and even stray notifications were rare. Having said that, it wasn't a perfect experience as app crashes and bugs were still present. Coming to optics, the Poco F3 GT packs a 64-megapixel primary sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel macro camera. Once the lights are turned on or under ample lighting, images turn out to be detailed with good dynamic range and colors. The ultrawide tends to distort around the edges, making the images a tad bit soft owing to its low megapixel. The macro is the least impressive of the lot and passable at best. The 16-megapixel selfie camera can take some Instagram-worthy photos. The Poco F3 GT runs off a large 5065 mAh battery, which provides excellent battery life. With moderate use, 6 to 8 hours of screen on time is also possible. It also ships with a 67-watt charger in the box. Wireless charging has been given a miss here, but that is the norm in this price segment. Priced at Rs 26,499 for the base 6GB variant, phones in this price segment have been launching with either performance software or camera quality being their USPs. And the POCO F3 GT ticks almost all the boxes. From MediaTek's flagship chipset, great display and long battery life, the POCO F3 GT is an easy recommendation from our side.